Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to extract a zip file in Hostinger. Once you're logged into your Hostinger account, just go to Manage next to your hosting plan. Then go to Files, then File Manager. Click on Access Files of your website. Open your public HTML file. Once you locate your compress or your zip file, click on it with your mouse right button. Then select extract. Give your new folder a name, for example, hello. Then click on extract. As you can see, we have our uncompressed file inside hello inside public HTML file. To move this index HTML file directly to the public HTML, just click on move file, then click again on this first folder to be on the public file folder, then click on move. And like that, we get our uncompressed file in our public HTML folder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.